Okay, they just served us the main course. And this is braised beef cheek, mashed potato, they call it pure puree. But really potato puree is just mashed potatoes. And and vegetable casserole, vegetable souffle. So let's try this out. So that is really good. It is great beef. Oh my god. I prefer mine. Don't come me for this. Don't come at me. This is sacrilege to a lot of Americans. But I prefer my beef well done. This is fantastic. So I'm going to finish up and enjoy. I'll come back to you guys later.